Hey everybody, it's Serena. I just decided I would hop on and do a quick tutorial of how to add yourself to the CCSF map. So I have clicked the link. I am in the map, and so the first thing you'll need to do is sign into your Google account. You can get one of those for free. I have mine set up. Put in my password. Hopefully it's the right password. Okay. And now you want to add yourself to the map. I'm logged into Google, and so I'm going to hit edit here, and I am going to type in the location of where I want to drop a pin. So since I'm already on the map, I am going to add where my parents live. I'll take them off. So you can either add yourself by clicking this plus sign or the one over here. And so you see that clicking the plus sign has added a marker that says Sunnyvale. And so what you need to do now is edit this marker. So instead of Sunnyvale, I'm going to put Serena's parents. So it's really important that you put your name here, because otherwise we'll just have a marker that says the name of the town that you live, and we won't know who actually it is that lives there. So I've edited the name of the marker up here, and I'm going to hit save. And then you can also come back and do all kinds of fun things with the marker itself. You can change the color of it. You can change the kind of icon it is. Somebody has a taco. You can put an airplane, a camera. There's a bajillion icons that you can use if you want. You can use whatever icon you want. And that's how you add yourself to the CCSF map.